Oh, hi everybody. Here we are in the tunnel of love. And I'm here with Mrs. Crocodile Dundee. Say hi, Mrs. Crocodile Dundee.
Hey!
She's got her margarita.
Yeah.
But
Yummy.
we are in these mangroves. We just bought a new kayak. Look at it, nice and green, camouflage. We're in these mangrove caves, or tunnels. I like to refer to them as the tunnel of love. Well, look, honey, there's our favorite bird, the swallow. But anyway, as you can see, this tunnel is absolutely spectacular, and our new kayak fits 3 people and 2 dogs. Bella, Lacey, we're coming for you. But anyway, here's our little exit. We will see what we can see on the other side of that. Okay, say bye, Mrs. Crocodile Dundee with her margarita.